And get your motor revving with this one. We have a 1966 Corvette 427 4.25 horse motor under the hood, side pipes, stick shift. Nothing more exciting than driving this car down the road and hearing that sound that motor makes. And it is meticulously nut and bolt restored, factory rally red. The numbers on the engine match the car. Go to volocars.com. You'll find about 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with all the pictures, videos, descriptions, financing. There's a QR code on your screen and a link in the description. Either one of those will bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, just pulling the car in here, it's like, oh yeah, this is awesome. I love the side pipe big block vets. Awesome. And when I say meticulous, it's really meticulous. This thing is sweet. The headlight doors fit spot on, so does the hood. I don't see an imperfection. I don't see a crack or body work or anything of that sort. This is all pristine. All of this is outstanding. The gap on the doors, spot on, absolutely clean, straight. This whole intersection of gaps here are spot on the money. Opens effortlessly. Jams are painted up real nice. Shuts like it's supposed to. All this is mint, outstanding, fabulous. I still haven't found a flaw. All this is mint. It doesn't mean there isn't one. You're always welcome to come out and see it in person, but I'm telling you, this is outstanding. This is better than the factory had done it because this paint is polished like glass. They didn't look like that out of the factory. The only thing I see, which is a very typical and it's very minor, where the top sets on the paint, just a little scuff mark. It's at the point, it'd probably still buff out, but you're gonna get that no matter what you do, really. So all this is mint. The gaps here, again, spot on. And they're always chipped up here from the convertible top. This one doesn't have that. Opens effortlessly. All this is mint. Of course, has the big block domed hood here that lets you know there's a big block underneath there. There's a little mark. Oh, that wiped off, just a little wax. So all of this is mint. Rally red, and it is absolutely fabulous. The body and paint, phenomenal. So the chrome is all sparkling. The grille, the bumper, the cross flags, the emblems, that all looks fresh. The louvers, the stainless around the windows, even the vent window frames, all this is sparkling. Looks like all the glass was replaced. I rolled up the windows and checked those out. 427 turbojet, emblem is sparkling. The moldings are excellent. The covers over the exhaust, door handles, top latch, all that is excellent. Reproduction knockoff wheels with the reproduction gold line tires. Coming around and back has the reverse lights. I think that was still an option in 66. Bumpers were replated or replaced. This is new. Power antenna, it works. I put it down myself. Has the bow tie mirror. Absolutely jewelry. Now those pipes look cool, and I've already told you how cool they sound as well. Michael will take you for a ride in a little while, but why don't we open it up and check it out? So there's no trunk per se, but take a second and check out that beautiful finish on the paint. That is just a gas door. That's not the trunk lid. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, click the bell icon so you get notifications. And look at the door jambs. They are beautiful. The weather strips are all replaced. And the interior is just as pristine as the exterior. That door panel is mint. All the chrome hardware and handles are mint. The entire dash area, the dash pads mint. All the instrumentation is pristine. 6500 red line tach. That's correct for the high revving engine. Down here you've got the parking brake and the power antenna switch. Clock's only right twice a day. We fix clocks, and I told them to stop because we fix them and then they quit working again. It's just the nature of them. AM/FM radio does work. The glove box door looks new. Inside looks new. The light works. Again, all this is really mint. The interior lights work. Well, the carpet fits very nicely. It's fresh. Has reproduction mats. Has a correct reverse lockout shifter. The correct seat belts. The seats feel like brand new. Look how tight that is. They're all rebuilt, recushioned, reupholstered. Not even a wrinkle in the upholstery. The back of the seat, all excellent. Carpet all the way back looks really good. It does have the jack and the lead hammer for the spinner. And then you can see the convertible top frame, the top and the rubber, all that's redone. Underneath the lid, it's all looking really sharp. Picture of the convertible tops on our website. And then we've got the mirror looks new, visors, all the trim inside is sparkling. And this is an actual teak wood wheel, not the plastic wheel. It's an actual wood wheel in really nice shape. So that's the bad boy there, 427 making 425 horsepower. They even put that motor in the big Impalas and that, very rare. And those were a monster. Imagine this motor in this little Corvette. Well, you don't have to imagine it. You can own it and try it for yourself. So these were high compression and a hot cam and solid lifters, and it comes with the aluminum intake. That is the correct one. We checked the numbers. It has the ignition shielding, the correct manifolds, the open element air cleaner, and then all the components you can just see by looking for yourself, all clean and fresh. Has deep groove pulleys because the high revving engine, you don't want the belts flying off. Reproduction hoses and clamps. I think the radiator, the previous owner said he replaced that. There's a picture of the numbers from the pad on our website. Again, all this is just nice and clean. Spring clamp battery cables. Very well detailed motor compartment. Now Michael's going to take you for a drive.
There's absolutely nothing better than side pipes on a Corvette, especially when they're attached to a 427. I've had a chance to take this car around the block already. It feels so fresh. This literally has to be what it was like to drive this car off the showroom floor. Steering is so precise, so tight. The suspension doesn't make any noise, no rattles or clunks. Just fired up right every time. Absolutely fantastic. Let's see what she's got. Alright, and we are boogieing just like that, up to slightly over 60 miles an hour. And yeah, she is feeling proper. Push you right back in the seat there. And we got the top down. Today's a good day. We've driven a lot of these Corvettes, and I can confidently say this one feels point on. Very dialed in, and exceptional driving experience. You don't take my word for it. Come down to the museum, take it for a spin yourself, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So when I said nut and bolt restored, I meant it. This body was off the frame, all the chassis, suspension, front and back completely redone, detailed. Looks like a new car underneath. This has the disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels, the whole brake system, the brake lines, e-brake assembly, all that looks fresh. The fuel system looks fresh. Looking up at the motor, it's nice and clean. High performance is cast right onto the block, actually in 2 different places. It has the correct Muncie 4-speed transmission. It has its correct 355 posi rear end back there. Painted chassis, raw fiberglass floors, that's the way it should be. Has the fiberglass spare tire carrier. This car is really, really nice. You know, we get a bunch of these Corvettes in here, and this is one of the top tier as far as the quality of restoration. So just picture yourself right there behind that wheel. Go to volocars.com, make it a reality. The salespeople can help answer your questions, including how to get your 66 big block Vette delivered home. Thanks for watching.